Yeah, it is cold. I'm glad I have my long jacket with me. A lot of viewers sent us impressive videos of hail and snow. I think for some of us, we're anxious for the warm weather now that more things are opening up, but it was fun to have a snow day.
The Las Vegas Valley woke up to a rare winter storm in mid-March. Fox 5 viewers on the west side captured snow in Summerlin and Anthem. At the Las Vegas Grand Prix, employees enjoyed a snow day. And if you didn't have snow, others played in the rain.
Getting a little snow and rain.
Jules, over here!
Some viewers captured peaceful moments.
A hummingbird in the snow. Have you ever seen that?
And more fun moments we might not see again now that spring is days away. Fox 5 viewer Raymond Abbott captured these horses on Lone Mountain. Danielle Whitaker captured the curiosity of her furry friend. And in Anthem, dogs that could be mistaken for bears, Essie and Troy, had themselves a great snow day.
And as Sam mentioned, another storm system is supposed to make its way in on Monday. Reporting live from Henderson, Lauren Martinez, Fox 5 News Local, Las Vegas.